What up, what up, what up? Happy Friday. Let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. All right. I'm just getting my stuff, getting everything pulled up the right way on my screen. Pulling up my trading view chart. Let's see what we got. I think trading view. Yeah, trading view's all messed up. Trading view already rolled over. So you have to do NQH 2024, not NQ1. There we go. Yep. Whoa. What happened at 7:30 this morning? Let's see. Oh, okay, that's what I'm looking at right here. All right, so 7:30 we had a bit of news at 7:30. 211 up to, yeah, wow. We had two candles worth 150 handles at 7:30 and 7:31 after that news. So it looks like we actually dropped quite a bit. To be honest, I have not even looked at the news. I don't know what the results were of it was jobs report, payroll, non-farm payroll. Let's see. Okay. U.S. unemployment rate was down 3.9%. Forecasted was 3.7. Previous 3.7. Canadian unemployment was pretty flat. It was exactly what they forecasted. Non-farm payrolls were 275,000. They were forecasting 200. And Canadian employment change 40.7 thousand. Expected was 20. U.S. average earnings year over year 4.3%. 4.3 was expected. U.S. private payrolls better than expected. U.S. average earnings month over month is down 0.1%. Yeah. The rest of it is kind of minor news. But the big numbers were unemployment rate, which was worse than expected. But remember, worse is sometimes better for the market in this time because everyone's hoping for rate cuts. Yeah, rate cuts would be rate cuts are, kind of the omen for, or the not omen. Omen's bad. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, Captain. Exactly. But everyone's hoping for those rate cuts, and we might get them. We might not. But with unemployment lower than forecasted, the Fed could come out and say they are going to cut rates sooner. It's interesting. Certainly an interesting problem. I don't know if anyone, I don't even have the YouTube stream pulled up. How many people do we got in here? Probably just a few. Usually it takes a minute to get going. Yeah, we got 6 in here. All right. Well, if you are in the stream right now, welcome. Good morning, Caesar. Good morning, Grim. Good morning, Captain. Oh, yeah, Grim. I'm chilling for a second. I am going to try to take, let's see. I need 15 handles. So 15 handles is 4 ticks per handle times 15. Right. Okay, so I said in the Discord last night, I said 45 ticks. I need 60 ticks. So, I need 60 ticks. What's up, Ragav? I hope I said that right. Ragav. Let me know if I said that right. If not, I will fix it immediately. Yeah, so I'm trading 15 contracts. I'm going to switch over to my chart here in a second. I'm trading 15 contracts on my... Oh, what's up, Mr. X-Blow? Love it. Love it, love it. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. I'm trading 15 contracts with my Combine account. My Topstep Combine account yesterday. I didn't trade my real money yesterday because I'm kind of sick right now, and I try not to trade when I'm sick. I just am not... I'd rather not trade real money when I'm not feeling 100%. Yeah, 30-point candles are a mess. So, anyways, today, instead of trading my real money accounts, what's up, Bryce? I'm gonna trade my past my 150K combine that I've had, just kind of sitting here. I haven't used it. I haven't passed it. Bought it last month, and I haven't really traded it. So yesterday, I took 2 trades and took down $4,578 in that Combine account. Today, I'm going to try to take a trade or two to get up to 159,000 and some change, so that I can fund that account over the weekend and start trading that as well. One of my goals, and I haven't really talked about this on stream, I'm a huge fan of Topstep. Topstep, a lot of what I've learned has come from Topstep and Topstep personalities. I think Topstep is top notch. Their stream is awesome. Some of their segments, like, not so much, and some of their personalities I like more than others. Like, for example, I think Deanna's awesome. If you guys ever watch Topstep, Deanna is freaking smart. She is so good at what she does, but I don't trade crude. So, like, listening to Deanna, a lot of what she says is very good advice just for traders in general. But some of what she says is really only applicable to crude traders. And so, I would prefer to listen to someone who's going to talk about the Nasdaq, because that's what I trade. And so, if Deanna's on, sometimes I'll oh, really? I've never noticed that, Grim. Yeah, so anyways, I think Deanna only trades evals when she's live streaming, just because I've learned in the last week, guys, it's hard to trade when you're streaming. You have to make decisions in milliseconds sometimes. Like, you have to be so quick to pull the trigger. And so it's really important that you're... Oh, yeah, Grim. Yeah, you're right. Yes, I did. I have noticed that. Deanna's also a longer time frame trader. So she's usually not managing trades as actively. She trades lighter in size and longer in time. Yeah, Topstep does not let you hold overnight. So yeah, true swing trading for days at a time, or even weeks or months, Topstep does not let you do. That is true. But I do believe that once you get a live account with Topstep, you can get some of that. They can work with you. Because I know, like, Topstep will change. They'll adjust your daily loss limits and things. Yeah, they did used to have swing accounts. That is true. They did. So anyways, Topstep this year is going to be doing their Topstep Trader League or whatever. I don't know if they've even named it yet. But I want to put some points on the board with Topstep in the next couple weeks. So I'm working on passing 250K combines. I have 250K combines. They have really small balances in there. But I want to be able to trade with more size, try to put some bigger numbers on the board. Now, granted, I'm like fully aware that, like, my losing days are going to be bigger too, but I do want to have more drawdown so that I can swing a little bigger. And I'll show you guys how I trade my Topstep accounts today. I trade them a little different. Sometimes I'm a little bit more scalpy, but I also don't move my stop to break even as quickly with my Topstep accounts. I don't know why. I just trade them a little bit differently. So my strategy is still the same though. Still trading supply and demand for the most part. And also, actually, that reminds me, my Nasdaq chart and trading view is not showing me my... Oh, crap. That's why. My Smart Money Concepts calculator, or indicator, rather. Oh, you know what? Because I had to switch the chart because they effed up the chart. Hang on. Quant view, SMC, V2. All right, let's see if this does it. There we go. All right, hang on, guys. I have to edit my... Oh, if you guys want to see how I edit my... Let me share my charts here. If you guys want to see how I edit my trading view, quant view stuff... Oh, never mind. It did it for me. I'm sorry. I was going to show you what settings I have. I'll make a YouTube video. A lot of people have asked me about my... I know I hate all-time highs too. It's disgusting. Like, how am I supposed to be a supply and demand trader during all-time highs? There's no supply zones. There's no order blocks above us. It's so frustrating. So you have to amend the strategy a little bit and basically look for... I really don't want to go long right now. So I am going to just kind of wait and see if we get a pullback. Maybe even a full-blown rollover. Not rollover, but like breakdown. All right. So anyways, like I said, I really want to put some numbers on the board with Topstep. So I'm going to try to pass this 150K combine account today. Like I said, I need $4,500 after doing $4,500 yesterday in this account. I think yesterday I didn't take my trade until like, it was a long, I mean, it was like, I got on late, I slept in, I wasn't feeling good, so I think I took my trade yesterday on my Topstep account at like probably 12:30. No, I think it was about 11:30 Central. I took my trade and I just waited. And let me see if I can find where I took my trade yesterday. I got in right about here at 18,310. We had tested 18,300 a few times, and kind of that had served as support for a few times, and so I was banking on us finally breaking down through it. So what I did here is I took a short up here at like 17,308, and then took a short at like 17,308, and then what I did is it dropped. Now, I was afraid of it bouncing off of 300 and coming back and hitting me. So what I did is I took the short at like 17,308. It dropped pretty quick down here to 300, and I moved my stop to 17,804. So I was basically trading 15 contracts. I was going to take down at least like, I don't know, $700 or $800. And then like 1,000 or 1,100. So I knew I was going to take down a little bit of money on that, a good amount. And then I put my target down here at 18,294.50, which is 15 and a half handles to account for fees, and basically caught the rip, hit my target, moved on with my day. So yeah, that was cool. Anyways, that's what I did yesterday when I was not streaming. And now let's get back to our regularly scheduled programming. All right. Okay. We're either getting a little tiny pullback here, or we are on the verge of a full breakdown. Notice we are kind of, technically we're bouncing off of this 18,400 level. I would imagine that we revisit this level again today. But we might not. Or we might do it right now. Who knows? Who the heck knows? All right. I mean, TradingView. You know what? I just realized I don't have any. None of my supply and demand. Oh, weird. QuantView is being kind of weird today. Hey, where's Oh, are you kidding me? It's because it went back to the rollover. Hang on. This is so frustrating. NQH 2024. Guys, if you guys notice, I don't know if anyone noticed, but if you use TradingView and you're looking at the NQ, NQ1. Oh, hey, Candlelit Hall. Now, one quick disclaimer. I am not a tax expert. I am not a tax professional, and I am not going to give tax advice. I'm just going to tell you how they pay you. Sounds like you're in the United States. If so, you get paid as a 1099 contractor. So if you've ever received a 1099 miscellaneous, so 1090 in the tax form is called 1099-MISC. That's how you get paid. So if a lot of things pay that way. So if you've ever been paid 1099, that's probably how you were paid. And so you are taxed in the same way. Same tax implications as any other 1099. Now, if you switch to a live funded account, the tax implications are different. You are no longer paid on 1099. You are paid. It's similar. You still get if you're on a live account, you would get a tax form, not from Topstep. I don't think you would get it from, I believe you would get your tax form directly from Trade-Evate or whoever you were using to trade with your live account. They're two different things. But yeah, prop firm money gets paid 1099. And if you do a quick Google search, you will be able to see some of what that means. But I'm not going to try to, explain 1099 payments because, again, I'm not a tax professional and I don't want to say anything misleading. In other words, I'm not going to speak to what percentage. Yeah, no problem, Candlelit. It was a good question. I think a lot of people don't understand that. It's very different than if you were trading live funds. It's still real money, just the way you get paid is different. My understanding, again, this is not tax advice, but my understanding based on research is that you actually get a slightly better when you get taxed on futures that you trade with live funds. And you know what? If there's a couple guys in the chat sometimes that trade live funds that might be able to chime in on this. But I do believe the tax code basically divides your profits into, automatically. You get 60% is taxed at long-term capital gains and 40% is taxed at short-term capital gains. Short-term gets taxed a lot higher. So it basically divides it up for you, which is great because that's very fair considering most futures traders are trading on very short time frames. So you're basically getting an awesome, you're being given the benefit of the doubt on all of your futures trading, and being given 60% of your profits are being factored as long-term capital gains, even though they might not be because they're very short-term. Anyways, yeah. Okay. Again, I'm looking for a short here, and I'm not touching any of this. This is awful if you're looking for a short. Also, if you're looking for a long, congratulations. You have to buy all-time highs. That's lame. Like Grim Trades said, who wants to buy all-time highs? That is horrible. I might actually share my trading view screen with you guys because I want to show you something while we're just kind of chopping it up over here. So let me see. Yeah, here, let me change the screen I share real quick. Actually, I don't even need to change this. I just need to move this. Let's see if you can see this if I do this, guys. Okay, there we go. Yep. All right, so I wanted to show you something because I just think this is interesting. So this is the 1 hour chart. As you can see, we've kind of got a little double bottom down here. So double bottom from March 5th to March 7th. And then we're kind of running. But we have officially passed our highs, our previous highs from, it looks like our previous high was Monday. Monday the 4th of March. So this past Monday, we hit our previous high right at that. Was that 3 a.m.? 3 a.m. Yeah, so who knows? We are officially in all-time high range right now, but I also wanted to show you guys the 1 day. 1 day is interesting. I was looking at this last night. So let me show you what we got. Kind of crazy. If you look at this on the 1 day, it looks so freaking bullish. I mean, we're up since October 23rd. We're up 4,000 handles. Like, that's crazy. It has been, we have pretty much been almost exclusively. Now my chart looks different, right? If you've been following me, you know I use quant view, so the color coordination on my chart is a little different. But these are normal red and green candles. They just have a filter on them. Basically, what it does is when we are in a when buyers are more or less in control, we basically get the yellow, orange, and red candles, and when the sellers are taking back, or when sellers are in control, yellow, orange, red. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling so hot today. When buyers start to take back over, you get yellow and green. Now, we basically back here had, and this was back before rollover, right? Rollover happened. Actually, wait, I don't know. Trading views being weird right now. Yeah, but basically, we had lower highs, lower lows, and all of a sudden we hit a reversal right here in November. We really broke through and created, right here we had a double top, and then right here on November 10th, we broke and created a higher high. And we started to show signs of a reversal. So if you're a longer time frame swing trader, like I know some of you are, Grim, 420 is a psych level. 420 is a special level. Anyways, if you are a longer time frame trader looking at days rather than minutes or hours on these charts, some of these institutional traders, think about it like this. If you're an institutional trader and you're trading on the 1 day, you might have bought the not all-time lows, but the lows here, the lows from probably this year. Yeah. You might have bought the lows down here. But probably what you did is you probably bought somewhere in this range down here to hold for, days, weeks, months at a time. You probably bought down here. So if you're an institutional trader going long, you probably bought down here, or you waited for the change of character here and you went long in here, which is where QuantView has their money ball, right? So the money ball says we're shifting into a potential long on the 1 day chart. So you're probably looking for an entry in one of these two spots. You also might be taking an entry in here, but I don't know. It's hard to know. Bottom line, if you're looking at the 1 day for an entry, you're in this area in here somewhere. The most likely area that you're looking for it is up here, right? Because you're looking for that change of character, the signs of a true reversal out of this downward trend that we were in. So longer time frames are getting paid. I mean, they're getting paid big. They're up, almost 3,000 handles for those who have been in this since back here. So you have to wonder what their take profit is. And this all plays into market psychology and what moves the market. But ultimately, you have to wonder what these long time frame traders are looking for take profit. I can't imagine that they're looking for, pretty much ever since right here in mid-December, we started hitting all-time highs. And we've been consistently hitting all-time highs on the daily. We've hit all-time highs like at least 30 times since December. So my question that I have, and this is just me being like a skeptic, is like, how much longer are people going to ride these all-time highs before they take profit, especially those who entered way down here? Now, most likely what they're going to do is they probably have some sort of a trailing stop at the institutional level, and they're trading big size. So they're probably, if you think about the way we trade, the way a lot of people scalp the Nasdaq, if you're holding thousands of contracts from this level down here, you're probably trailing your stop, right? And you're probably just waiting to see a reversal to the downside. You're waiting to see a change of character to the downside before you get out. And you're probably taking some off here and there, but you're probably leaving a lot on. Why not? You're in the money. You are getting paid handsomely. So anyways, just me processing out loud how I read the charts, what I'm looking for. Anyways, I know I'm not trading right now, and it's because there is no price action that I am excited about. We are at all-time highs. Yeah, so we have this break of structure here. Anyways. Maybe we could be getting a little bit of a short here. Let's see. I kind of like this because we might run back down to the 18,400s, and where we are now would give me 15 handles. All right, let's see. Also, let me show you guys. I don't know. Does anyone here use OCO? Candlelit. Hello. I do trade full time for the last few months. I actually have an announcement. I did take another job yesterday, actually. I work from home, though, so I'll still trade. I'll still stream. I might need to adjust the hours of my stream, but I will continue to. I'll continue to trade and stream. I say full time, right? Like I usually trade for about 2 hours a day at most. And usually I'm not trading for that full 2 hours. I'm just watching the market for 2 hours and looking for my trades. So yes, for the last 5-6 months, I have been doing this exclusively. But I was lured back into the workforce by a great company. I'll tell you guys more about that in a little bit. And I should have taken that. It looked like we might run the highs again with this candle in the beginning. We came up here, green candle started ripping. That's a bummer. What I was saying, sorry. If you guys have ever done OCOs in the Nasdaq, I want to show you guys what I do. So we talked about this earlier. I need to take 60 ticks down. My take profit target is 60 ticks. I'm going to risk 20 ticks. I'm going to risk 5 handles to take 15. Okay. So my risk reward on these trades is going to be risking 5 handles to take down 15. Trading 15 contracts, that means I'm risking $1,500 to take down 4,500. So these OCOs, the thing I love about this is when you place it, like you can see here, when you do it, it automatically puts your buys and sells, but it will not, if you watch this right here, it doesn't trip that buy because that's not a buy, that's my take profit target for whenever this gets tripped. So let me clear this real quick. All right. I'm going to be waiting. I'm going to be looking here for a break of structure. Make sure that we don't run the highs again here. And then I'm going to be looking for a trade. But let me go use the restroom real quick. And I will be right back. And I'm going to start looking for my entry here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Thanks, guys. Sorry about that. I was just saying, I was taking my short off of the EMAs here. But that was a pullback and not a breakdown, unfortunately. Well, maybe actually. Annoying. I lowered my size to 5 contracts just because that was a $1,200 loss. So let me see. I'm going to try to get back to break even with 5 contracts before I start swinging big again with 15. It's also a really important part of my strategy. I try never to revenge trade, and I try never, when I'm down on the day, I take size off. I don't keep size on or put more size on. Well, that's annoying. I would have been in the money, but I would have stopped out up here, so. I'm going to try one more 5 contract trade here just to see if we got a breakdown. If it gives it to me on the EMAs. Yep, short 5 contracts. Short 5 contracts with a 5 handle stop loss. Targeting, I'm going to move this up to 95. Actually, I'm going to move it to 97. That gets us to break even. Then I can trade. I can throw on 15 lots again. Oh, no. Oh, no. There's no way the buyers want this right now. This is... Okay, thank you. I hate it. I hate it. Awesome. All right. Down 1,700 on the Combine account. Maximum stop loss, or max loss limit on this account is 3,000. So I have 1,250 to work with right now. I'm gonna try to play this smart. Man. Double top here. What are we going to do? Going to run highs again? ES and Nasdaq are pretty well matched right now. They're running together. New highs. This is nuts. What up, Kenneth? Yeah, I know. The problem I'm having on these trend days like this is that in order to be in this market right now, you have to be buying all-time highs consistently. Like, it's brutal. But you're totally right, Kenneth. That is a very wise, those are wise words. And, most traders know not to fight the trend. Like, I know not to fight the trend, but I also, there's like this voice in my head that's like, how much longer are buyers going to be buying all-time highs? Like, it makes no sense to me. Psychologically, I don't understand how people continue to gobble up these all-time highs. It's not like, it'd be one thing if we had just absolutely fantastic news going on and we were in the best times of the American economy right now, but we're not. Things are very much, God, look at that candle. Things are very much not going our way in the U.S. economy. Things are fine, right? Like we're not in the Great Recession. We don't have a housing crisis. Well, we kind of have a housing crisis, but we don't have we haven't lost trillions of dollars in housing value in our economy. So anyways, it's just hard for me to wrap my head around the fact that people still think that people continuously believe that buying the highs is the right decision. I have a hard time with that. Yes, absolutely. You're right, Kenneth. Yep. Yeah, I mean, look, Kenneth, honestly, we talked about it earlier. I don't know if you were here looking at the one day chart. No matter if you went long in the last 3 months, pretty much no matter when you went long, if you stayed in it long enough, you're well in the money right now. So yeah, technically speaking, Kenneth, buying all-time highs has been paying off for the last 3 months. But like I was saying, looking at the one-day chart, when you're looking at institutional investors who are throwing big money around, you have to know that these guys who are holding thousands and thousands of contracts for long time frames, they're trailing their stops. They're riding this as long as possible until they see a change of structure, change of character, break of structure, and they're looking for an opportunity to continue riding this until the market no longer gives them these profits. So once we see a slight rollover, like it's why we see these massive red candles. Like yesterday, we had a huge red candle to end the day, like 120 handles. Like two candles were like 2 1-minute candles were like 120 handles. It was a massive breakdown. And it's because, it's people taking profits when they see they're taking profits and their trailing stops are getting run. I mean, we've probably seen this week alone, we've probably seen at least 3 or 4 100 plus handle breakdowns, like that happen within minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, market moves. Yeah, for sure. Kenneth, you're right. It is fuel for the fire because they're shorting all-time highs, and then, just like I did, you're shorting an all-time high, and then they're putting their stops right above the all-time high, so then you get these massive wicks up here because it's just a bunch of stops getting run, right? Which, to your point, it's jet fuel for the all-time, for the longs. Exactly. Yeah, you're not wrong, Kenneth. I want to be very clear. Like, I'm not disagreeing with you. I actually am in full agreement with you. I'm just explaining how it's hard for me to conceptually, it's hard for me to throw my money at that. We might be getting a reversal here. Let's see. I'm going to wait for more confirmation of this. Again, because we're at all-time highs, I don't really have order blocks to be looking at. I mean, technically, like if we're really trying to look for something, we have order block right here now. Oops. We have an order block right here now. That's wrong. Sorry. An order block right there. That's really all we've got. All right. Well, it looks like we did break down through the 400s, which is what I was looking for back here if you were watching. Longs are stopping out. I don't even really think you could call this shorts getting paid. They kind of are, but it's really more that the longs are taking their losses. Yeah, Kenneth, for sure. For sure. All right, let's wait for the consolidation. Wow, man. I got stopped out twice back here. I've only taken 2 trades. Got stopped out twice, and it kind of scared me off of this. I wouldn't be surprised if we ran VWAP this time. But let's see what this next candle does. Yep, I agree. I'm also watching my trading view chart, my quant view indicators, to kind of see if quant view is flagging this as a potential rollover to the downside. Looks like buyers want to take this back. We'll see. We'll see if they win this. I'm not getting in right now. Not even close. Especially if you look at the ES. This candle, we retraced the entire candle before this on the ES. We've not yet retraced this candle on the Nasdaq. So let's see if Nasdaq can do it. Nasdaq's still retracing to the upside. Nasdaq's going to run again. We're going to go back down. Maybe. Let's see. I might take a quick scalp here. Nope. Yeah, so for context, what I was doing back here with these 2 shorts, in looking at it now, it looks like terrible trades. But the EMAs were getting closer together, and we were showing signs of a potential rollover here, and then again here. So I just took both of those, thinking I was, 5 minutes early on this move, which early and wrong in this case are the same thing. So, because I can't afford to take 20 handles of heat. So, again, early and wrong are the same thing. So I was both early and wrong. But I was almost right. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can get anything. Man. Sellers were just sitting there waiting for the buyers to get exhausted, and then they pounced. I wish they included me, because I wanted this so bad. All right, ES is showing signs of this being a pullback. ES is looking like this is a pullback. Nasdaq looking like this is continuing to break down. Kenneth, I'm using 14 and 21. right here. Oh, that should not be 15. That should be 14. And then this one. Oh, 9 and 14. I don't know what I should still have 21 on here. My chart is different than my. Hang on. Let me adjust that. I'm glad I checked this because I switched to my Topstep account today, and all right. Oh, here we go. There we go. Yeah. So now I have. I should have 9, 14, and 21. Yep, 9, 14, 21. So 9, 14, 21. 21, 21. Nice, nice. Yeah, I mean, look, if with the 9, 14, and 21, they crossed over right here, if you had gotten in short right here, that would have been a great entry, right? You'd still be way in the money. You'd be in the money by 17 handles, 15 handles. I would be looking for a short right in here between. Now, it just so happens, so the 21 EMA is right just below the 18,400 level. So I'd probably be looking for, if I was looking for a continuation of the downside here, I'd be looking for a short right here on the 21 EMA. So far, that would have been a good trade. I'm not going to rush this, though. I want to wait for confirmation that we're staying alive. And oh, that would have been a great trade. I should have done it. Gosh darn it. Yeah, so basically, that would be my strategy. If I miss a move, I'm looking for a short. In this case, it just so happened. Yeah, I know. Oh, Sam, you did it? Let's go. So Samuel's in the money, 16 handles right now. That's awesome. Yeah, I was a dick for a tick. So basically, when we're in, like if I miss the move up here, let me explain really quick what I do and how I take these trades. So if I miss this move here, up here where I should have gone short, again, I tried that back here, missed it. But if I had taken it here, I would have ridden this and I would have had my stop. I would have moved my stop to like a 5 handle take profit right here. So my stop would have been up here at like 1405. I might have had it down here at 1402 or 402, excuse me. But since I missed this, I would wait for a pullback into usually in between the 14 and 21 EMAs, right around there. The only reason I really liked this, I like the even numbers, right? So the 18,400 level, I like that for an entry. I think there's going to be strong support and or resistance on those levels on days like today. But generally speaking, I would wait for a pullback to, somewhere right in between the 14 and 21 EMAs, which, as you can see here, you would have had 1, 2, 3 opportunities for entries if you had taken this, anyways, I'm going to stop talking about what I do and actually do it. Cause gosh, Samuel, you still in this trade? Or did you take profit? I mean, either way, it was a great trade. You're up 25 handles right now if you took that. Ah, okay. Wow. Wow. God, this is a melt your face off breakdown. Man, okay. I'm going to take a short here and see if we can break VWAP. Let me see. Yep, I'm going to see if we can get a short. When we're retracing like this, if you've seen me on other streams trying to get into a momentum trade like this, I do try to wait until roughly the 45 to 50 second mark on the candle before I make a decision. Yep, we're showing signs of some weakness, so I'm going to take this if it gives it to me. All right, we're in. Oh, no. All right. I'm going to move stop to break even if it gives it to me. Yep, break even stop. I might get stopped out. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, glad I did. Let me back up. The reason I like to do what I just did there is because typically when you have a strong red candle like this and you only retrace a quarter or a third up the candle with the green candle following, you typically get a breakdown that's red candle, green candle a third of the way up, red candle continuing down, and then you'll continue the momentum to the downside. And it usually happens really quick. So it usually happens between like the 50-second mark on this candle and the 10-second mark on the following candle. So I like that for a break-even trade because in most cases, if it was going to continue to the downside, we would have had a really great opportunity. Basically, we would have hit here, got in, and then we have to take some heat for 5 to 15 seconds, and then it usually flies down pretty quick, move stop to break even, and it typically does not stutter at all. It just goes. That's the trade I want, and if it's not going to do that, I'm fine with breaking even. And so it's a cheap trade and an easy trade usually, and you're only going to be taking heat for a few seconds on those trades. All right, I am going to look for a short here if it gives it to me again, just above the 14 EMA here. Basically looking for a double bottom to run VWAP. So that's my next trade. See if it gives it to us. Man, the EMA is continuing to turn down, but if you saw that in real time, it barely touched that EMA. So I would have had to have my order right on that EMA. Interesting movement right here. Also, the Smart Money Concepts Moneyball came up right about here. So quant views indicators are suggesting a good entry for a short would have been up in this area here. I'm not liking that the shorts are failing to, we're kind of getting a failed auction right here. We're also right at that 50 level. So up here, we had the 21 EMA right just on that 400 level, and now we have a VWAP just below the 50s. So between 50 and VWAP, we've got pretty strong support down here, I think. But if we run VWAP, we're going to run it fast and hard. What do you think? Do we retrace all the way up to here? Do we retrace up to... I mean, this could end up being... We could get some pretty strong resistance here off of the EMA and the bottom of these candle bodies here. I'm going to be looking for a potential short on that level. The only problem is if we're truly bouncing off of VWAP and the 50s here, then we might run all the way back to the upside. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think we're going back to 18,400? That could be too. Yeah, could be. Let's see. We'll probably know in the next 3 or 4 candles. Yeah, Jesse, seriously. If you were looking for a long, either going long at the 50 level here or going long at VWAP if it ever gives it to us, those would be good entries for a long. You think all right, Caesar thinks in 7 minutes, over the next 7 minutes, we're going to push back to 400. Let's see if he's right. Jesse went long at 1040. Oh, are you Eastern time, Jesse? So 1040 would have been... Wait, you went long here? I'm assuming you're talking time, right? Yeah? Dang, are you still in it? Or did you get stopped out? Oh, moment of truth, guys. Let's see if the level I drew holds. Let's see if it holds. We got this resistance here off of these candle bodies, and we have resistance here. I mean, not really resistance, but we have the 21 EMA here. Let's see if this is where we stop this breakout. Oh, okay. Yeah, yep. Oh, I didn't draw my opening range. All right, hold on. Let me go back here. I was sitting here complaining that we don't have any order blocks above us because we've never been that high before. And I didn't stop to draw my opening range highs and lows. I broke one of my own freaking trading strategy rules. All right, so opening range low is 18,288. Opening range high is, man, I don't like that. Opening range high is up here at 18,393, which we're approaching right now. Basically right here, which was resistance for these candles here. So maybe that's our next level if we break through this. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I'm talking like you're seeing what I'm doing. I was just charting this on TradingView. Let me put this same... I'm going to put a level here because this is 18,393 half is opening range I'm going to move this. It's not right. I'm going to move it. But 18,393 half right there. That's opening range high. So we have a couple of levels here. This isn't any kind of a meaningful level. I was just drawing this to see if we would bounce off that. Let me move this. All right, so opening range high. Let's see if the opening range holds for the day. I kind of feel like it will. Yeah, if we reject at 18,393 off opening range high, obviously strong resistance here for like 10 minutes. We had strong resistance off of this level. We might not even get back there right now. Let's see. Let's see. Time will tell. Time will tell very soon. That is going to be my next target. Tilt is 71% long. Okay. Well, that means there's 71%. 71% of people on Topstep are idiots. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Because some of you are probably long right now. I'm not sweating you. I'm just kidding. I'm a short bias trader. So I always think longs are kooky when we're at these all-time highs. I explained that earlier. Go back in the stream if you want to watch that. I explained my thought process there. It's very difficult for me mentally to wrap my head around buying these all-time highs. Now, but I did explain also that people who have been buying highs for the last 3 months have been getting paid for the most part. So, especially longer time frame traders. So, as much as I don't get it, clearly I've been wrong. So, yeah, Jesse, that's a great strategy. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right, let's see. We're coming up on that level. Let's see if this 393 half holds. Let's see if we even get there. But it looks like we're gonna. I think my prediction, we're either gonna rocket through it right now and run to the highs again, or we are gonna keep consolidating in this range right here, and then we are gonna reverse back to the downside. The more time that goes on, the less I think we're gonna go reverse back to the downside, though. All right. We are rocketing through it. Maybe. Let's see. Is it going to hold? There's going to be a lot of longs going for an opening range breakout here. And there's going to be a lot of shorts with their stops right above opening range here. So let's see what happens. This is going to be interesting. Uh-oh. I'm not in right now, so I don't give a flip. I just want to see what happens here. Okay. Topstep tilt is up to 78%. I still don't have Topstep X. If any of you know Michael Patak, please tell him I want Topstep X so bad. Did it hit 400? No, it missed. It missed 400. It missed 400 by 3 ticks. It hit 99.25. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this. Opening range high is holding. What do we think? Is this a short entry? Yep, it missed it by 3 ticks, Caesar. Crazy. Let's see. I think we're going to melt. We're going to go down. I'm going to take this trade off of the EMAs. All right. No. I'm going to move my stop to break even because this is super whippy. Stop, break even. Targets all the way down here at the lows. All right. We're back in the money on the day. Almost. Right? Almost. There we go. All right. Stop to 20 handles. All right, I got a 20 handle stop there. My target is 30 handles almost. All right. I'll take it, guys. Back in the money on the day. Wow. That was a 20 handle trade with 5 contracts. Just took down 2,000 there. We are back up 209 on the day. Let's go. All right. That I needed that. So if you're just tuning in, I have only taken 3 trades before that. I took 1 up here, 1 here, and 1 here. I was looking for a good short. We were waiting for a confirmation of a strong short entry. Took 1 here, move stop to break even. Took a loss here, 15 contracts back here. I lost 11.25, and then I lost 500 here plus fees. Trading 5 contracts. So I was trading 5 contracts here just to try to get back into the money on the day before thank you, Caesar. Thank you. I am going to be, all right, this gives me some opportunity now to trade a little more heavy. I am not going to go straight to 15 contracts again. I'm going to go to 10, and I'm going to try to take down, try to take down 10 handles of profit with 10 contracts, which is $2,000. And then I'm going to switch to 15 contracts if we can do that. So looking for 2 more trades. Looking for 2 more trades today. Let's see if we get them. All right. I've been drinking water like crazy because I'm sick, so I got to pee again. I'm going to be right back. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm all camo today. So if you can't see me when I come back, it's just because I'm hiding. All right. What did I miss? Oh, still running? All right. Well, that's great. Opening range low is down here at 288. Let's see if we can continue running. Going 10 contracts short up here. This is a dumb trade, but I'm going to do it. 10 contracts short, stop break even. If I can get it. Yep. Break even. All right. Let's go. I'm going to just let this try to ride 15 handles because we've got room down here. All right. Come on, baby. Come on. Go, baby, go. Go, baby doll. Go ahead. Let's go. 15 handles. Woo. We're up 31.50 on the day. Let's go. We're on a Topstep combine account. We're trying to pass this 150K combine. We are now $1,300 away from passing this combine, which means we're going to chill out and we're going to trade 5 contracts. That was a 10 contract. I traded 10 contracts there, took down exactly 15 handles for $3,000 in profit minus fees. Let's go. Nothing to it. That one, I can't even really take credit for like that being a good trade. I just joined in on the momentum. So what I did there, I don't know if any of you guys like to trade the way I just did, but basically all I did was look for, I mean, we're in a huge momentum move to the downside right now. So I just waited for it to keep pulling back and then keep running, waited for a pullback, a very small pullback. I saw that we had a big wick here. So I put my order right here where I had enough room for my stop to be above the high of that wick. And then I just let it run. All right, we are bouncing off of the 18,300 level. Let's see if this is probably going to be a pretty strong support level, but I do think we are going to run the opening range low of 18,288. I think we will see that. I mean, obviously, the last 7 minutes have shown us that the sellers are really taking over right now. So let's see if we can get a quick short to the downside here. All right, so ES is below VWAP. Actually, ES just broke back above VWAP on this candle, but VWAP might hold. Let's see. ES is trading right on top of VWAP right now. Nasdaq is trying to find VWAP again. So what I'm going to be doing here is waiting and see if we pull back all the way to VWAP or close to it. And if we do, I'll enter there. I'll take a quick short off of VWAP. So yeah, we're just taking our time today. Slow and steady wins the race on days like today. Wait for your setup. This is actually, okay, so one thing to point out here, we're kind of in a range-bound day. So we have opening range high, opening range low on the day here. We did break out above the opening range high for about 30 minutes. I mean, we broke out, 35 minutes. But it was a failed auction above the opening range high. And then opening range high has served as resistance now, which means we're now kind of back into a range-bound day. The thing I love about this is the range on the day is 105 handles. So range on the day is pretty big range, which means whether you are a short bias trader or a long bias trader, you are probably going to get some good opportunities if you just wait. Just be patient. You'll probably get what you want out of the day if you just wait. Dope rec. I'm using QuantView. Oh, look at this. We're testing opening range lows. I'm using QuantView. QuantView Smart Money Concepts, and it color codes the candles slightly differently, so it shows momentum rather than just red and green candles. All right, it looks like we might run the lows of the day, or the opening range lows rather. Hang on. Oh man, I need 14 handles to take to pass this combine with 5 contracts. So give me a second. I'm going to try to take these real quick. Let me move this back over. We are down below opening range. Opening range high 288, or opening range low, 18,288. We are trading below that by 10 handles right now. Wow. We might run the lows of the day. Forget about the opening range lows. We might run the actual lows. This is a dumb trade. Shouldn't have done that. One more try. Let's see. I'm going to wait for the 45-second mark on this candle. Maybe. Come on. I think we're going to run the lows today, guys. I'm going to extend my stop loss a little bit. I have room to work with today. Breakdown. Don't do it. Damn. All right. It's okay. We're still up $1,900 on the day. Hey, Sid Soul. Yes. I am funded with Topstep. I'm just trying to pass I'm funded with two 50K combines. I'm trying to pass a 150K right now. Yeah, Jesse, it's great action today. I'm enjoying it. I do think we're going to continue running. I think we're going to run the lows of the day. We do have an order block down here at 18,259. And our lows of the day are at 211. All right, I'm going to try one more short here. All right, I need about 20 handles here. I don't need it, but I want it. Wow. Wow, Chad, come on. I don't know, Jacob. I don't know. You might be right. There's a 50% chance that you're right. Nice. Look at that. Good job, Dope Wreck. Oh, there we go. Yeah. I mean, if you're long term right now, then yes. Yeah. I mean, look, no judgment either way. Like, all right, hang on, guys. We are on the opening range low of the day right now at 288. We're kind of kissing that right now. I'm going to take a short on the opening range, see if that holds as resistance right now. I don't know if I'm going to get it. Let's see. Yep, got it. Nope. All right, there we go. See if we retrace down to the lows of these wicks. This could go either way right now. I am going to move stop to break even if I get some room here. Chill out. All right. Stop to break even. Again, I move stop to break even real quick on this because I am just looking for some quick momentum on this. And if I don't get that quick momentum, I just want out of the trade. Because we should come, if we are going to reject off of that opening range low, we're going to do it pretty hard and fast. Yeah, see, we tried to, failed. We're probably going to keep running now. So I'm going to stay out of it. That was $100 on that one. I'm up $1,300 and I'm $1,400, $1,394 today. Nice, Dope Wreck. Love it. Hey guys, we have 20 people watching right now. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not, it would mean the world to me if you took a quick second to hit that like button. It'd be amazing if you could. If you don't like it, then don't hit the like button. But if you do like it, hit the like button. That'd be awesome. Smash that like. I would like if you smashed the like. All right. We're going to run the lows, it looks like. Once again, I was right, but I was early, which is kind of the same thing as being wrong back here. Because I wasn't willing to take the heat for a little bit longer. Man. All right. I love this price action right now. I'm going to go 10 contracts here. I think we have a good chance of running the lows today. I don't think it's going to give this to me. I'm going to wait for a little more. We're right now, the 18,250 level is serving as support. Let's see if we can break it. I might do a limit order down here at 45. Ooh, 50 is holding as support right now. 250s are holding. 250s are holding. Let's see if they can continue. I don't know. It looks like, nope. 250s breaking down. All right, I'm going to be looking for a short off of 250. Oh, it's not going to give it to me, is it? Yeah, it might. It might. Looking for a short off 250. Whoa. I did not mean to do that. Yikes. Guys, I gave back everything I made on that big move up here. That was stupid. Stupid, Chad. Why'd you do that? And I would have been in the money. I just didn't have a big enough stop. God. See you, Samuel. Have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday. Wow, look at that. Look at that move. Take one more short here, see if it gives it to me. All right, I'm eight contracts in right now. Moving stop to break even. 10 contracts in, targeting the bottom of this wick here at 233. Don't do it. Don't do it. There we go. There we go. I'm going to move stop to 50 here if it gives it to me. No. I don't like that. Oh, well. Took down $200 there, minus fees. All right, looks like we might get, buyers might be coming back in. Yep, here we go. Buyers coming back in. All right, let's look for a clean, organized short off of kind of this range here in between the EMAs, in between the 14 and the 21. Yep, European close in 10 minutes. No more news for the day, I don't think. I don't think there's any more meaningful news today. Let's just double check. Chinese PPI tonight, but that's not till after hours. Market will be closed. Buyers are really failing to move this the way that they need to. I mean, look at this. Look at this wick. What is that? A 55? That's a 20, almost 20 handle wick. 15 handle wick. I really think this is just shorts getting stopped. I don't even think this is buyers coming in strong. It's moving so fast right now. The problem is my stop loss is 5 handles, and it's like, let's see what we got here. Strong green candles. Let's see if we can get back up to this. I don't think we will. It might try to push back up to opening range low again, but it's looking like, man, we really rejected off of that 14 EMA. Hey, Bobo, what do you think? Bobo. Bo. Hey, baby. Oh, hi. Bo, I want to see what Bo thinks about the move. Bo, are we going up or down? Huh? What do you think? What do you think? You say hi to the people? No? Yeah, Bo doesn't want to say hi to the people. Bo just wants to sleep. But she also wants some love. Yeah. She said, I'll wake up if you give me some love. Yeah, for sure. I mean, we are definitely in a downward move right now, Bryce. The question is, how do you get an entry here without getting stopped out, wicked out? I really do think we're going to run the lows. It's looking like that right now. The sellers are majorly in control right now. We do now have an order block up here too. Demand zone centered right over that opening range low at 288. But the block goes down to 278. Oh yeah, major failed auction right here. Buyers tried real hard, and they total failed auction. All right. Looking for a short here. We do have lower lows now. We have lower lows here. So I am looking for a continued move to the downside on this. Maybe take this short. Yeah, it's failing. It's going to melt down. Damn, are we going to run the lows? Are we going to run the freaking lows? I mean, I do think we're going to run the lows. All right, we just took out a demand order block down below us. We took out a strong demand zone down there. I'm going to clear this. I'm going to wait for a better entry. Yeah, this is for sure. What up, Trading Wiz? This is for sure institutional movement right now. This is big size going around. Big size. Lots of volume. Yeah, we may see a bounce off the lows. We haven't found the lows yet, though. And we ripped through. I mean, we ripped through ever since. Let me just share this screen again, guys. I'm going to talk so I don't take an entry right now. It's not a good time. So we flew down through the opening range low, and we have made significantly lower lows, and lower highs since we flew down through. Whereas when we tried to break above the opening range high, we really struggled. I mean, we were not making higher lows, and we barely made 3 higher highs, barely. And then that totally failed and broke down. So we have a lot of momentum. I think we have much better chances of running the lows than we do running back to the highs. Dude, the opening gap was gnarly. I know exactly what you're talking about. I was watching that. I wasn't trading, but I was watching it. Oh, I want in on this so bad right now. I just don't know where to find my entry. All right, let's see. Try to get it off this green candle here. There we go. Man, we're going to run the lows. I think we'll run the lows on this candle. Give it to me. Yep, we're running the lows. Target down here at 200. Stop to break even. Oh, whoa. Whoa, glad I put my stop at break even. Holy crap. Try this one more time. Stop right above this, the candle wick here. Again, target down here at 200. Stop at break even, just in case. Actually, I don't need that much. I need right here. Holy shit. Nope, pull back. Okay, good. Holy crap. Okay, we passed our combine. But I might have passed it by too much. I'm up $9,575. I'm up $4,997 on the day on this combine. Shit. I did the math wrong, and I accidentally took too much profit there. So I think I need to lose like $400 right now. Let's put one contract on and just see. Topstep's tough. Okay, so let me think. All right, hang on. I got to do the math. So if I do, if I stop out with a 5-handle stop, that takes down $500, but I need to lose $400. So let me adjust this. All right, so here, I'm going to make this, my stop loss is going to be 17 handles. 17 ticks. 17 ticks times 5. No. A tick is $5 a tick, right? $5 a tick? I know, but the problem is I'm $500 over. I don't know if they're going to sweat me on that. $85? Yeah. Yeah, so 17 ticks is... Okay, yeah. 50, 85. Wait. No, I need to lose more than that. I need to lose a lot more than that. Cancel this. This is terrible. If you're watching the stream right now, don't do this. I'm going to try to lose money right now. Let's see. Let's see if we bounce off this. No. Okay. Let's see. I guess I just buy this. Buy the... Oh, here. I know what I'll do. I'll buy the lows and try to get a 7 handle. Yeah, exactly. Tries to lose, accidentally makes 10K more. That actually happened to me one time on a Topstep combine. I had $1,000 I needed by the end of the day, so I put 10 contracts on. It was like 2:30. I put 10 contracts on, went short with a 5-handle stop loss, 5-handle target to try to take 1,000. And are you kidding me? Lose. Thank you. All right, there we go. All right, I just lost. There we go. I lost 140. Not bad. But I put a 5-handle target on, and well, I shorted 10 contracts, and I wasn't trading OCO. So I was trading. I just put I shorted, and I went to click to put my target on, and before I could do it, we got a red candle that ripped like 20 handles, maybe 25 in a split second at that 2:30 mark, and I accidentally made $8,000 on the trade instead of $1,000. So I had to go back and try to lose $7,000. I ended up blowing the account. It was so dumb because I was trying to lose. It was terrible. It was really funny. I didn't blow the account. I blew the combine. Sorry. It was a combine. It was not a live account, or not an XFA. All right, let's see if we can lose one more of those down here. All right, we're going to try to lose 160 more bucks just to make sure. I don't think Topstep will sweat me over being $360 over, but I'm just going to try to lose a little more just in case. There we go. All right. Look at that. I feel like I need to lose a little bit more. Dang, Caesar, that's crazy. Okay, so I'm up $4,725. Yesterday, I made $5,000. I made $4,000. What did I make yesterday? Let me look. Hang on. Yesterday, I made $4,578. So they want me to make... I think I'm close enough. They're not going to sweat me over this, right? I'm $225 over. I should be good. All right, guys, I'm done. We passed our Topstep combine for the day. Look at that. We passed the Topstep 150K combine today. Let me show you my trading card, or my trading report, trade performance, whatever. Here we go. Trade performance today, we had gross P&L 5,300, total losses 4,700. If you tuned in the beginning of the stream, we started the day off with a loss, 15 contract loss. We lost $1,125 in our first trade. We made that back with a couple of five contract trades. I'm using Trade-of-8. Nice, Jesse. Good job. So as you can see here, our standard deviation average winning trade was $1,300, and our average losing trade was $352. That is good risk management. That's how you do this. Thanks, Jesse. I appreciate it. So 50% winning trades. Technically, we had 3% break even, but 50% losing, 46.6% winning, 3% break even. And we basically... the real secret sauce to the trading today was we were going for big wins and small losses. We did that. Our average losing trade was 319, average winning trade 720, but standard deviation average winning trade was 1352, and standard deviation average losing trade was 352. So while we only won 50% of those, the ones we won were big and the ones we lost were small. Pretty much what we want to do. And it says we took 30 trades, but that's not true because, as you guys know, with Trade-of-8, sometimes it doesn't buy and sell 5 at a time. It does like 1 and 4 or 1 and 1 and 3. So technically, I think, let's go back and count these real quick, guys, because we did not make a ton of trades. We did make more than I would have liked to. I was hoping to do this in a cleaner fashion, but let's look. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got to zoom in on these. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 trades. We had 15 total trades today. And let's see how many of those were break-even trades. So we had break-even, break-even, break-even. I'm not counting. I'm just calling them. Hang on. So we had break-even trades. We had... okay. Actually, we had 13 trades because these last 2 trades, we lost money on purpose to try to make sure we didn't ruin our combine. So technically, we had 13 trades. We're not going to count these. These were both losing trades on purpose. So actually, my trade performance was a little better than I even said earlier. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. 4? Only 4? Okay, so 4 of our 13 trades were break-even trades. Our losses were real small, real quick losses, and our wins were pretty big. Our biggest win today was $4,700. So I will take that all day long. All right, y'all. That is going to be it for the stream today. I can answer some questions. Why don't we take a minute and talk? I'll talk to you guys for a few minutes. Sid Soul, I trade on Tradeovate. So right here, this is Tradeovate. I trade on Tradeovate, and I chart. I do a lot of my charting on TradingView. I have another TradingView chart as well that I use. So I chart on TradingView, trade on Tradeovate. And on TradingView, I use, a lot of people are asking about the color of my chart. I use QuantView. It is expensive. TradingWiz, maybe you can help me get in touch with them. I want to see if I can try to get some kind of a discount for y'all since the community is growing and y'all have taken a lot of interest in these QuantView charts. It is expensive. See if I can get some kind of a discount or some kind of at least like an introductory offer for you guys. Ragav, congratulations. That's huge. $386 in the positive today. Ragav, if that is a strong day for you, close that computer, go into your weekend feeling good about having a $386 winning day. That is amazing. As I said in the beginning of the stream, am not trading real money today. I am sick. And when I'm not feeling 100%, I don't like to play with my real money accounts. So even though I did a lot of money in my combine today, I passed my Topstep combine. It is not real money. I'm not going to get paid on that. But now I have a funded $150K account with Topstep. Awesome. TradingWiz, that's awesome. I'll DM you. Thank you. That would be great. Huge fan of QuantView. I pretty much talk about it on every stream. And I strip it down. So I just want to show you guys kind of all the stuff they offer and what you can use with them. So this is their Q Pro. Q Pro uses kind of a EMA approach. They also have buy and sell. They have Q-Wave buy sell triggers that line up with these Moneyball indicators down here on the Moneyball chart. So anyways, QuantView is awesome. I spend a lot of time on my weekends when I am, when I'm working like on the weekends when I'm not trading. I do spend quite a bit of time researching and trying to see how other people are using QuantView. I'm telling you, the cool thing about QuantView is that you can tweak and customize this software so much. You can really make QuantView work for your strategy just about any way that you trade. So whatever your trading style is, QuantView is a great tool to give you the resources to trade better. It's also just pretty to look at. It's a very good looking indicator. And yeah, I'm a huge fan. So anyways, QuantView is great. That's the Q Pro. The other thing you can do here in the Smart Money Concepts indicator, you can actually turn a lot more on. You can turn the VWAP, the EMA bands on. You can show trend ribbons, bull bear signals. You can really crank this thing up and add quite a few things to it. Let's see if it It might take a second to load. Yeah, here we go. So you can really make this thing look very pretty. And then you can, of course, all of these indicators in here, you can customize. So if this is something you're looking for, I would encourage you to look at Quant Pro. As you can see here, guys, I've used Lux Algo. I've used, oh, it went away. I forget the other one. Lux Algo and SPX or something like that. I've used a couple of the paid indicators on QuantView or on TradingView, and QuantView is my favorite by far. I'm a huge fan. As you can see, I let Lux Algo go. I just didn't find a ton of value in theirs. I didn't like the way it looked as much. So anyways, all that to say, this is how I turn these off. This is how I use QuantView. And this weekend I'll try to make a video for you guys to show you what my settings are on QuantView. But yeah. Anyways, thank you all. This was a great week. Sorry I missed the stream yesterday. Again, I've been sick and just trying to get better. So thank you all for tuning in. Happy Friday. Be safe. Be smart. Keep your profits, and if you're down for the day, make sure you are respecting your own stop losses for the day or your own max loss limits. Don't give back more than you would make on a good day, no matter what you do. Be very careful. Ragav, keep that $386 in your pocket and buy yourself something nice this weekend. Congratulations. To everyone else who made money, great job. I'll be in the Discord this weekend. King Caesar, let's go. 670. There we go. Go buy yourself a new pair of shoes. Have a great weekend. I'll see y'all on Monday, and normal stream time 8:45 until 8:45 a.m. until about 10:30. 10:30, 10:45. So thank you all for tuning in. Have a wonderful weekend. Talk to you Monday.